a wild mustard.
Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. We are in Midland, South Dakota, spending our 4th of July holiday this whole week. We have Tony, Julie, and the kids, Michelle and I, and Michelle's mom Pat. So we are here for the whole week, just enjoying a little bit of prairie time. So I hope you enjoy this post or this vlog of our week's adventure. Bye! We found buffalo. Little girls, won't you come out tonight? Won't you come out tonight? Won't you come out tonight?
Oh, there you can see Mount Rushmore.
Oh wow, what a sight.
Check it out.
So we did get to see it after all.
Father of Mount Rushmore. Oh, there you see it again.
That's so cool.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Grandma Beck's house, chilling. I think Michelle's down here.
I have records.
What? Oh, records.
Yeah.
I thought you said rat turds. I'm like, you're excited about rat turds. All right, people.
What were the adventures?
What is that? Bada bing, bada bing.
I was like, what's
And you can see her tan line.
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
You can see it even worse.
Golden Grate by the Ventures.
Whoa, I want some of these.
It looks like there's just one venture on that one.
Psychedelics. I like that.
Oh my God,
I
that's
venture to
hilarious.
say-
Where the action is.
Well, you didn't finish bailing for me, Rufro. What's the deal?
I didn't get the memo.
Yeah. It was about 10 o'clock. It just started sprinkling just enough. It was getting wet.
cool vistas. Such a soft nose. What do you think, Addie Kate?
You're so pretty. I do want a horse. I do.
You can take, we got that little black and white one around here somewhere. You can maybe fit that in the minivan.
It's July 4th. We had a big dinner and Tony is about to set up our fireworks display. Our huge fireworks. Look at that. Watch out, Midland.
Hey.